And we are going live. We are now going to be trading binary option at Iqcent. Let me just double confirm that everything is in order before we start. Let's see. Seems like everything is in order here now. Yeah. Okay, okay. We had a quite good day yesterday, by the way. We made some good trades. So day, you can say. Did not get as many trades as I want to get, but it's okay. Now, let's start from the start. Let's see if we can find something. Here, for example, you can see this was a good support. Let's drag down this line there. Let's see if we take a trade there. I would say this looks good. I can take it a little higher. Let's zoom in. I like it. Let's take a trade up there. I can even make an entry line. As you know, I do that. Let's take it around there. Let's make it white. Reason for that, I want a trade in between, and sometimes when you come into a certain resistance, you get much sell power, and then he moved very fast. Like you did see in my live stream yesterday, we push here for a sell and we get an entry down here. So you need to be careful. So that's why I put this white line. At least it's a higher possibility you get a trade in between. So let's see. Let's change this for 100, by the way. Let's see. We are ready. You see what's happening now? He moved very fast. He did pin our line. I did not take it. Too slow there. And I think I got a good entry. Now we just need to wait and see. And as always, I don't sit waiting. We rather see if you win. And now I take either, because if you lose this one, it's better I find something more. Because we want as many trades as possible. If I can talk properly. In this live session down here, I love it. We're far away now, but we never know later in the live session if this can be something. If you lose this one here now, you see he's running a little minus now. Then we did the correct thing by looking for something else. Let's see, I think I like it around there. And 5, 4. Ooh, in and out of money. 2, 1, and we did not get it. We did not get it. And I see why. He did break above. Okay. So we start our live stream today with a minus. So minus 100. Yeah, let's move on. Alert about one of my cryptos. Let me just check what that was about. Nothing special. Okay, let's move on. Strong downward. We don't like that. Now let me see here. Yeah, I was going to trade in this area before. I think I want to edit that a little to make it a little more profitable. There I like it. I think we can go for that. Yes, he goes below a few times, but if you think about this now, like you know I do, count winners. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's say this was the same. 12, 13 winners. Let's count the losers. Just one. That means this is a good area if you can get a trade in between these two lines. Of course, past history does not mean that the future history will be the same, but it gives us at least an edge that we see that this area have been good before, probably can be good in this one also. And as you see, he broke above here again and come down and it was perfect. So let's see. I'm ready at least. Let's see. And if you should pass, I will take one more trade down here because we see when that happens, it's even a good entry also. So here I might get two losers, but I take the risk. Ooh. Did not get the best entry. Let's see. This one we can sit and wait for. Let's open for a trading view while we wait. We might take a forex trade today also. Let's see. Let's open that one. See on super chart. You see he broke out of this. This would have been a very good entry, by the way. Now let's see. Yes, looks like we are winning this bad entry. But yeah, when you break out of something, it's always good to take an entry. Put your stop loss below here. And yeah, nothing more to say. That will be a very good trade. Let's see here now, we won that one, and it looks like we can get a new entry. I was a little too slow because I was in trading view. Okay, but at least we won this trade. Sweet. Plus 78. Okay, we might get a new chance here now. Come on now. I know you want. And this time we got a decent entry here. We have seen this before, so I'm not going to be too scared about it. Let's go over to trading view and let's see if we can find ourselves a trade while we wait that trade. Conclude. Now, what can we do? You can see I'm folding quite often. Not as much as I did before. Before I was trading like I was in the past, like if you go like 4 years back, I was trading basically Monday to Friday, of course, and I was trading like 21 hours a day. No kidding, I slept only 3 hours a day. I was going too hard on it. Of course, I did amazingly, but also I did burn myself out, and I get my biggest loss of history in dollar against the Japanese yen. I always tell that in my live sessions that I did martingale. I was tired, I did mistake, and I lost like crazy on it. I think I lost 95. Okay, we lost a trade there. 95% of my balance I lost on that trade. So yeah, that was a terrible day. But of course, like anyone, you learn from mistakes. And yes, I learned from that mistake. Did slip. Okay, and of course, martingale is something you should never do. Now let's see here now. We broke out of this. This would have been a very nice entry, by the way, with a short. Now we are in the middle. I don't like it so much. Let's see here, gold. Gold are coming into a squeeze. That can go both ways. You see here. We have a squeeze that this, squeeze that go like this. And he need now, you see now he is respecting this one, respecting here. Downside will be better. Could get a trade down to this area. Upside, you see, don't have so much movement, so I think he will break to the downside. But in these cases, nothing much you can do. Let's see if we won the trade by the. Hey, we won it, but see, we need to stop. Okay. Let's put in that $78. Let's take this $6 up here also. Make sure you have this cashback. Helps you a lot. +6. So for that you can see till now in cashback, only cashback like the one I did take now. You see I've got $8,139. By the way, let me post the link for this broker if you want to copy. Let me go over to here. I'll post it now in the Telegram group. I have a robot trading there, so don't mind that one. I did. Let me make it so he don't trade so often now. I see he have 2 trades going on. Let's just stop all trades. He will close 2 trades soon, but I'll post it and I'll post it one more time, just so we don't have all this mess while you have the live stream. So here I did now post the link for the ones that want. If you promo code of 1 for 200%. Okay. So use this link there. Sign up to Iqcent. Okay. And by using that link, you can use my promo code alpha1, and you get yourself 200%. Okay. So that is now for the live stream that you have here now. Okay, so make sure you take advantage. Now let's get back to some trading. So we have 2 winners today and 1 loser. Our profit is $62. So nothing crazy, but hey, it's profit. Now let's see this one here. I think I want to edit the line a little bit. Let's see. Some of you can see when you find an old line that still fits, that's a good sign, because that means it's a strong support. Because this is an old line we had from another live session, maybe it was from yesterday, maybe it was for a few weeks ago, who knows. Now I did not have time to count. Should I just take it without counting? That is risky. 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 losses. Let's see winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's good enough. Have 8 wins, 4 losses. Make profit, but I think the win rate is not. I'm not calculating the win rate in my head here right now, but I think it's around maybe around 60% or something. So you can make profit, but nothing crazy. But hey, it's what we have. As the line was good before, probably was area that was good before, so maybe the win rate gets better. But yeah, you see that, so it was here, here, and here, and here. So basically you see the 4 losses very clearly. But you see, if we get a good entry down here, then you have 100% win rate. So let's see what we manage. That would be amazing if we get here, but I will target the middle, and if you continue downwards, that is very rare by the way. Typically when I push, he go up, he don't choose to go downwards when I push, but let's see. If you could get an entry down in this area, then we will be golden. But let's see. Let's see. By the way, I'm planning to start to give crypto signals if you want to be a part of that. I see that there are many that had interest about it, so that's something I am considering hard. Let's see. No. Oh, I got the entry here, I think. From history part, I think that is a decent entry actually. Decent. Of course, now he did go very, and I take one more there. Now I have a chance to lose 2 trades. How lucky I am. I will not sit and look at one. But if I get 2 now, that would be amazing. Because the first was a decent entry, but I did take one more. That was a very good entry. So now it looks like it's out of money for both. Either not actually. Good time to have been lucky when I'm being checking for it, but I will do that now. Let's see if we can find more trades here instead. Here we had the trend upwards. Looks like it's breaking now. Looks like we're losing the first trade, by the way. Amazing. If I lose both, I will be very annoyed. We lost one. That means we are already in minus. If you win the next, I will be in profit, but looks like we're not going to do it. Why I did take 2 trades? I know better. And we lost. Yeah, he broke down. Do you know what? I know my win rate. I'll take it to 200. 200 is my max bid, by the way. Don't misunderstand this with martingale. I don't do martingale. But when I go in minus, I typically do that as an insurement to go faster profit. Now let's see here now. This area up here looks decent. It's tight but decent. Let's see if we could get ourselves an entry there. You see from here that is basically 100% win rate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times and no losers. So we need to be very unlucky if we go up here and break it on the first try. Because as you can see, he have done 10 times before and have not broken, so this is a good area. As long as he don't break downwards now, looks like he want to do that. That's not something we can control. By the way, I see some more lines up here. Let's see, it was a nice area. You see, old line again, work it good. So yeah, we can keep it. Sometimes old lines can give us some clues also. Okay, we move on. Now let's see what's happening here. We had a trend. He broke it, got downwards. Nothing. Actually down here might just be something. Let's mark it from there to about there. You see that was a resistant. No turn support. Good area. I'll take it if we get down there. That will be a good $200 trade. If I win the 200, I'd jump directly back to 100 because let me see, we should get, yeah, we should even turn a small profit. Just with one trade. Now let's see, we are ready to take a trade here. Let me see how many is in the live stream. In Telegram, I can see we have just 2 people. If you want to ask me a question, you can do that also in Telegram. It's simple. You just go back into the Telegram, the main channel, where you found this live stream, and you can just leave a comment on. I can repost, by the way. Let me repost. Use promo code alpha1 for 200% on first deposit. No limit. because then now I see these two trades are closed. I did stop the robot so you don't trade more while we do this live session. So now you can just go in there, make a deposit if you want to, of course. But yeah, if you want to ask a question, you can do that now. On this link I did post now, you can just leave a comment, okay? And then I will see that as a question. So we can do like that in the live sessions. Now we see that we need to be a little careful. Reason for that, you can see that we're coming into squeeze. I think we can do it on this one, but I think we can just get one trade out of this. Let's see. He pinned a double line basically. He did not come down. But I don't think I want to trade on the next minute, so I need to come down on this one for me to take it. I did turn or fix it so the trade gets shorter. It's not always get shorter, but sometimes. Now would be amazing if we came down, because we get a 40-second trade. I know it's not smart. Should I take it or not? It's very squeezy here now. I think I need to stick to my rules. I don't trade here now. You see that we're coming to squeeze. It's not a good idea to trade the squeeze. So let's stay out of it. He can now break out to the upside, or he can break to the downside. It looks like he wants to choose the upside, but no, it's too risky. We don't trade this one now. I need to lead as example in my live sessions. When I put up rules, I can't break them myself. Now let's see here. We do see a downward trend-ish. He broke a little up over it here, but he's continuing, respecting. So, but let's see. We might just get a trade on here, by the way. Around there. Let's see. We can continue this now, like this. We have much space here still. So if we choose to come down here now, I can take it. I think we can trade here for the next 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes maybe. Yeah, no, more 3 minutes. I can make it easy for you to see. We put ourselves 1, 2, 3. After this one we skip it. We can trade on this yellow, but when he crosses over to this side we don't trade more. Okay, so now let's see. And you see here, if you're wondering where to put it, you see here it's on the 22-minute mark. Now let's see. Okay, looks like you can trade for 2 minutes, including one we are in, maybe 2.5. Let's see. It's being a little stubborn. This area up here had a do you know what? I want to take a sell trade there. If you feel yeah. Okay, that was a bad entry. He maybe break now. Oof, I was going to have that here because here was a good resistant. Don't tell me I'm going to lose this one here now. I will be so annoyed. Come on now, go down. It is a resistant here, so we might just get it. We just might just get it. I wish I had it a little higher. Come on now. If we get this one, at least we're in profit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. And actually we were quite deep in the money also.
he was closer around here, and we got it here. So okay, good. I'm sweating a little here now. I don't know why, but I want to turn profit in this live stream. So 18, let's take this $8 also, plus 8. We are now at 26, something crazy, but at least we turn back to 100. Obviously we are not trading more on this pair, so let's go back to the start. Okay. This was a nice area. If we count, you see that it's profitable. 1, 2. I'm just showing example, so you have idea what I'm looking for. See the old line here. If it's still good, you just what you do. You see you can't count from this side because you don't have any trades. Now you can say one loser here, right? One loser. But then now we count losers after. Now we count winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We count this as a loser. So I think I did count 7, was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 winners. Okay, 6 winners. Now let's count the losers. We count here. 1 loser. 2, 3. So 6 winners against 3 losers is a decent line. Okay, decent. So if you then take it up, that means if you take like 90 trades, you will win 60 out of them. So it's decent. So that 65% win rate, something like that. I'm just guessing now, but I guess something around there. If you know better than me with calculating your head super fast, then you can do that. But it's a decent area to trade. We make profit. That's the most important. So now let's see. I got curious now how good I am. I ask ChatGPT now. I want to see my win rate, yeah, blah 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 blah. Give me just a minute. I don't need to see all this calculation. I said 65. It's actually 66.6%. So that was actually pretty close then. I just needed to see if I was lying a lot when I said 65%, but yeah, I was pretty close actually. So my head is still working. Okay, cool. So that means it's a good area to take trade. So like you see here, beautiful area, of course got broken here, but if you come in the top side, we know the deal. It's a good area to take trade. Even though broken one time here, this will happen. So always when you are coming to a new place, like here for example, can this be a good area? Maybe. What I'll do, I'll make a new line, and I need to zoom out and calculate from the left, because this is not enough for us to take a decision. Because here is the thing, probably this is just a clone of this one. So probably just have 2 here, or this is clone of this one. But we just maybe have 2 test doctors, that's not enough. Let's go. Okay, was a support, that's a good sign. Let's see if we can get more information. We see here, it was, I can't calculate it, but we see that this is the area. So it's good enough to take a trade. I prefer that we have history that I can count, but as we see, we can stress that this is a counting trade. So 1, 2, I count 3 here. So 3 winners. So it's nothing crazy, but it's good enough for me right now. We see we had a trend upwards. He hold the trend. That's a good sign. What I mean with the trend, I'll show you. You see we had somehow a trend going upwards here, right? He hold it, he broke out. That means this, I say support, is a resistance of course. That means this resistance is pretty strong. So risky, yes, but I think the odds are in our favor to throw a win here. But we need a very, very, very freaking good entry. Let me see. This was not the entry I wanted. I need to make sure I get the entry in between the blue lines, so I need him to go a little higher than this. If I push it here, probably I got the entry here and we would have risking losing now. There. Okay. I got the entry here, but I did not like what he did. He did break above it. So probably this was a bad trade all over, but let's see. Let's see. We can still win it, but I did not like that he did go higher. Let's see. Because then we are in minus again. Then we are having a bad live session. Here we might come to the upside, that would be nice, because then we can trade here again. Let's see. You see here we are deep in minus. You see here, okay, he's going the correct way. 39, 34. Is it fast enough to come down in 6 seconds? I don't think so. We lost that trade, yeah. So minus 100. We are now back to be minus 74. But you're just one trade away from turning profit, so I think we can do that. Am I stupid to not take a sell trade here now? I am actually. And I had to take it there. Because he should not break so easy up. As so strong. Of course he's going to break up now. But he should not break so easy up, as this was a so strong support. That's what I'm trying to think. Does not make sense. Does not make sense. This should be a fake out. Come on now. Go down. Go down. 5, 4, 3. Okay. Let's take this shitty $4 pair now. Plus 4. We take it up to 200 again. Sorry for this. Looks like you're having a slow bad live session today. I'll be damned if I don't make profit today. So let's continue. I don't see nothing. Last few days I have not seen so many trades. We need many trades to turn a good average, you know. Okay, I don't like what I see here. Typically when you get like 20 trades in a live session, we typically do amazingly, because then we get a good average. Now we're getting very few trades, and then we don't get the average, and then we don't get the win rate we need to see. Now let me see here now. We just might have something in the top side. Around here. One loser. I count the losers for today. 2, 3. Let's count the winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9 winners, 3 losers is decent. Let's see. I'll take it. And I trade on here also, so we can remove this line here. We have a trading zone actually. So I take a trade here, and I take a trade up here. Cool. Let's remove this line here also.
waiting. It's just a waiting game. Let's see. So for the ones in Telegram, if you are not signed up and want to copy what I'm doing, of course today you will be better off not copying. Because we are not done so well. Of course we are just a trade away from profit. But yeah, if you want to trade together with me, I have built, just to have a little history, I built this account here from $100. So we are doing averaging very good. But yeah, you find the link in the Telegram channel. And also if you have any questions, you can just make a comment on that one and I will check it out. Okay. I see there are no comments there now, so if you want, just leave a comment and I will reply. That's how we will do in these live streams. Now we are ready to take a trade down here. It's actually where I prefer to take a trade. You have good numbers down there, so we might just get a trade here now. Let's see. I'm doing a $200 trade on this one. Oh, come on now. Entry. I want to take entry in the middle line, preferably, but I will see. Maybe I take it before. At least lower than this, so a little past the blue line at least. So if you get like this area, I might take it. I'll try to see the momentum. Let's see. If we get down there, that is. You see that many times he stopped around this region where he came now also, because the support actually start around here. So it's not written in stone that we even come down to our line, because we are trading basically the extremes. Let's see. How long time we have left to the live stream, by the way? Around 20 minutes, so we still have some time. Come on now. It would be nice if you could trade this one the rest of the live stream. This have happened before. We have turned in 20 minutes $1,000 before. So let's see if we can do it now. Almost, he pinned our line, basically. If it did go a little more down, I will take it. Pin it again. Can't get closer than this. Let's see. Come on now. Oh. Yes, I got a good entry. Then I'll get myself some water. You can sit and wait and see. I'll bring it up for you so you can see it here. Hey, so that was actually a very good entry, I see.
got it, and he got deep in the money, so that is nice. Let's change back to 100. We are now in profit. Let's take the $4 also. So plus 4 plus 156. Actually, we are still in tiny minus. I can call that 0. We are minus $10 now, but I'll call that 0. That means if you're trading $1, you're 10 cents in minus. We can call that 0. Now let's see. But yeah, we got a very nice entry on this one. I think we can continue trading there. Like I said, if I'm lucky, we can trade here the rest of the session. We might print money. I have seen that many times before in my live sessions, that we refine the trading zone. Let's see now how much time we have left of this live stream. We have, let's say, 18 minutes ish. No, yeah, 18. Let's see. Let's count that from here. 1, 2, around here. I think we can stop. So if we can get some more trades here now, that would be nice. Of course, I wish this trading zone was a little closer to each other. The best trading zones we have is when we have it around here to here, and we go like this, and we print money constantly. It's like a max 2-3 bars in between each trade. Like you see now, we got the entry here. Now it's 1, 2, 3. This is bar number 4. Just a little long in between each bar trade. I mean. Now let's see. We are ready. Okay. Let's see if EMB is a little far away now. Let's see if we can take a fast forex trade. Yep. Mm-hmm.
looks like he broke out to this. Let's see, once again. Yeah, he broke out of it. So if you can get a retest up here, so that can be a pending trade for today. If we can get up there again, let's take a stop loss a little above there, and we can take a 1 point there. That would be a nice trade if we can get up to that level there again. If you come up and retest one more time, might be too late already. But if you can get entry up there again, a nice trade downwards. So that is on dollar against Japanese yen. Let's go fast back here, nothing happened. Let's continue. No. Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin is really falling down. You see, we were following this trend. He broke down here. You know, in this strong support area down here. If we break this, the bull market will not come yet. But if we break this red line there, that is not something we want. We need to hope that it's holding. Let's take it out to the daily and take a bigger look on the bigger picture. Okay. So see, we are following this trend up here. We are following this trend up here. We're coming into this more like a cup. After something like this, we typically see this might. If I was going to bet here now, I would bet it to go up here now. It looks like it. Of course, wait for it. Wait for some confirmation. I would say if he will set a good entry would be if he let's make this one green. If he come up, cross this green line here, I would then say long position, take it when a bar, of course. This is on the daily, okay? Now you're taking the big trades here. If we close with a daily chart above here, okay, we then take a stop loss just below like this. Let's see if I can get this. I can take a 1.5 trade also like normal. I think that he will. You know what? I think you can take a 2 trade down. There. He will go. I think then he will shoot up to higher highs. I will say that it's almost a confirmation on the bull market if that happened. If we can break above, close the bar again over this green line, he will continue. Then we'll see some bull market action here. Yes, I know the 70,000 mark is hard, but if you do that, then I think he will shoot past the 70 easily. He will shoot up and he will take higher highs, the highest we have seen Bitcoin. Then the bull market start basically. So that's what you're waiting for. If we cross like that, if we cross above there now, then the bull market start. Then we'll see. Maybe he will go up to 80,000. So there you have it. That's Bitcoin for you. Okay. Thankfully we lost this opportunity here. I might not have won the trade up here, but yeah. Thanks to TradingView, I think actually we would have won the one, lost the second, so we will be in minus on this one if I traded. So how are we in time, by the way? We still have 6-ish minutes left. So So let's see if we can find something to trade. So we turn some profit. We are in zero right now, so that's not good enough. Now let's see here. He closed it high. I don't like that, but no, I don't see nothing here. Nothing on the trade. Let's continue. Sometimes I just count very fast in my head, so we don't waste time. I don't need to show everything. If you have questions, of course, you can ask them. I reply. Not to worry about that. Okay, nothing here. Downward trend. I can show it very fast. So yeah, downward trend. We can trade that, because even if you see something here, like here, this area here is pretty decent, but coming into squeeze, you see here, you see, good area, just one loss, good area, but when it's a squeeze, we can't do that. Now let's see here. I might just move this line up here very fast. I'm not trading yet, I need to count. We did break above here, so then we can cut from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count losers. 1, I count this loser also. 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 6 winners against 5 losers. We can trade that. Let's continue. Okay. If you move this line up here, no, not good enough. Again, downward trend. So even whatever you see down here, we can trade it because it's a squeeze. I was thinking this region here, but then I see the trend, and you see what happened. He broke down. So that's the thing I've seen today and yesterday. Yesterday we made a little money. I think we made like 300, 350, something like that. But today and yesterday also we seen a lot of trends, and trends be like sideways market. Like this I like. See, here's sideways market. So now let's see what we can find. Maybe find a new area where we can do a zone. Let's see. Sideways market, we always find some zones. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too many, but it's good enough. Let's see up here. And there. So yeah, we can do this. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners, no losers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners. So 6 winners there and 5 winners there. We take it. Have ourselves a small trend. We are going to be live for 2 more minutes. I don't think we get a trade, but let's see. You can continue trade this, of course, after my live session. If you want to do that, you find the link in Telegram where you came from. You find the link there. You get yourself 200% on your first deposit. Okay. Using Alpha 1 as promo code, you find it. Just copy paste it. Now let's see. And if you came in late, I will be back again same time tomorrow. It's from now the clock in my time is 8:52. I come in a little before, typically 8, so like 7:55 or something. So you can just join in tomorrow. I trade Monday to Friday live. After that, I turn on a robot that is trading automatically. This robot yesterday made a profit of, I think, 60. It ended around 68 to 69% win rate. so pretty decent. I'm editing the robot a little so we come past the 70 mark. Now let's see, we might just not get more trades here now. I think that's about it for today. I will now just edit the robot a little bit, and I will turn on the automatic robot so signals will be given in the group after. But yeah, you can continue trading here, like I said. You can see you have a little zone here. It's not super good, but you see you have 6 winners and 5 winners, no losers, so you probably can get in a couple of good trades here. So might just even get down there now. Let's see if we do that on this bar. I will take it. If not, I'll stop for today. So if this bar come down in this minute now, I'll take a trade. If not, I move on. Now, then we stop. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all the same time tomorrow. Good. He did should just pass it. When you see there's something you need to learn. When he shoots so fast past a line, like you see here now, then that's a no trade for us, because when you shoot so fast that you don't even have time to think, then don't try to get an entry down here, because most of the time, okay, maybe not this time, but most of the time when you see something like this, he will continue downwards. So if you don't try to get a trade down here, because we only want to trade in between the lines. So if you see something like this, was very good that happened before I did go now. My live stream got a little longer, but it's okay. It's a learning session. So when you see something like that, don't try to push here. You think, oh, I got even better entry than alpha 1. He wanted here. Now, when you shoot this, you see what happened. He continued downwards most of the time. And it's actually good he did continue downwards now, so you can see that can happen. Don't try to get an entry down here, because we are only interested to take an entry in between the lines. So when he should pass, don't push this button, because then we are not interested. So this is a no trade. I don't even count. It's not even counted as a loss, because when this happened, we would not have taken the trade, by the way. Okay, so there you learned that. I hope you did not take a trade here, because you're not supposed to. When you should pass faster than you can push the button, don't enter down here. Never. We only are going to take trades in between here. If you can't get a trade in between here, don't take it. Never take a trade below. Don't. If you, of course, sometimes when you push here, you can go up and you get a bad entry. Okay, call it what it is, bad entry. But when you come down here, that's not a bad entry, that's a mistake. Mistake. Bad entry, mistake. Never take trade down here. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow.